First of all, look at this clip. There is a green screen behind the phone object. After removing its green screen, now see how it looks like. Now it'll look like this. You can change the background photo or background video, and whatever you want you can keep there. So now I'm gonna show you how can you remove your video background using green screen. So let's go. First of all, you have to import the video background and not the clip, okay? The background may be a still photo or a video. So first of all, I'm gonna import the background. So this is the background. So now to import a green screen video over your background, just go back. Now look at the bottom options. Here is an overlay option. So just click on overlay to import the photos over your background. Now again click on add overlay. For example, this one. I want to import this clip. Now to remove the green screen, just click over the green screen footage. Now look at the tools at the bottom. Just scroll left a little bit. And now see there is a remove busy option. Remove background. Click on it. And now you see 3 more options here. Auto removal, custom removal, and the last one is chroma key. So you should select the last option, chroma key. So click there and you will see a color picker over the prone object. Now drag the color picker to the green portion, and now you can increase the size of this prone object a little bit, and if you want you can do a little bit color corrections to you. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.